안녕! Today's step-by-step Korean recipe is 돼지 등갈비 김치찜, braised pork ribs with kimchi. The pork turns fully to bone tender as it simmers, soaking up the deep, tangy, and savory flavors of kimchi. Let's get started. We'll start with about 2.5 pounds or 1.1 kilos of pork ribs. First, separate them by cutting between the bones. To remove excess blood and impurities, soak the ribs with a spoonful of sugar and cold water for about 30 minutes. Then bring a pot of water to a boil and blanch the ribs for about 3 minutes. This helps get rid of any unwanted smell. Rinse under cold water, remove impurities, and set them aside. For the stew's base, we'll need about 2 cups of well-fermented kimchi. Koreans traditionally use kimchi that's been aged for years, but since it's hard to find overseas, just use kimchi that's been sitting in your refrigerator for weeks. Next, slice 2 onions into thin strips. And chop some green onions. The onions add natural sweetness while the green onions enhance the aroma. Now let's mix the sauce. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of gochugaru or Korean chili powder, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of gochujang. And a pinch of ginger powder and black pepper to taste. Stir everything together until well combined. In a wide pot, layer the sliced onions and white parts of the green onions at the bottom. Then place the blanched ribs on top, followed by the kimchi. Spread it evenly so the flavors blend well. Pour in the prepared seasoning sauce and add 2 cups of water. Finally, sprinkle the remaining green onions on top. Bring everything to a boil over medium-high heat. Once it starts boiling, stir gently to mix the flavors. Then cover with a lid and simmer on low heat for at least 40 minutes to an hour, until the liquid is reduced by over half. The longer it simmers, the more tender the pork gets. After an hour, the ribs should be soft and the kimchi deeply infused with all the seasonings, and the broth is comforting. And that's it. The pork is so tender that it just falls off. Serve it with a hot bowl of rice and enjoy this classic Korean dish. Check the Show More section to review the full recipe. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Korean recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.